Hi kids. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Sky blue, red, orange, yellow, blue, purple, brown, pink, green, light green color, black. A. A is for apple. A. B. B is for ball. B. C. C is for cat. C. D. D is for dog. D. E. E is for elephant. E. F. F is for fish. F. G. G is for goat. G. H. H is for hat. H. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hat.